other things, sir?
No, thank you. I'm fine. You can go.
Madam, any other thing? I can go.
Internet will always be a crazy place. Look at this. Unbelievable. Oh, well, if you'd asked me, I would say the same.
No, now, if I not bring him. No, I think say you won't starve me, make I die, make my enemies laugh. You know go work for you.
I even surprised. Say you never die, you. You suppose don't die or
you won't kill me.
Dey prison. Na me go kill you.
You know kill me now.
Na me don't kill you finish because I serve you food. You don't say I don't like you. You
must like me.
You come to chop up.
You are my servant.
You know I be your servant. I think.
No.
Okay, you go soon serve rice for hellfire very soon. No problem. Chop.
What did they talk?
Say you dey rush food wey I give you. Upon say I don't like you. You dey rush am. You know say na yesterday I collect salary finish. You dey don't worry.
What did you put for the food?
Wait I put for that food. Now wetin go make you see your great grandfather before 5 o'clock?
No, Izu come now. Izu.
No, please. They take me the Izu later. No problem. No problem.
Izu, come follow me chop this food, oh. Izu, come follow me chop this food. Izu.
Madam, for lunch we are having Goliath spaghetti, Titanic T-bone steak, and runaway sauce.
What's that?
I mean, runaway portable sauce, ma. That is what we have on the menu for this afternoon. Yes, ma.
Just get out. I'm not in the mood. Just go.
If you want us to go local, ma, we can have traffic burner rice versus local akpu stew, ma.
Don't you get it? I said I'm not in the mood. Just get out of this place. Come on, get out of this place. Now pick that thing.
Madam, to put you in a good mood, let's try Cubana plantain versus Tiwa Dodo. Sorry, ma.
Are you mad?
Sorry, ma.
Are you stupid?
Sorry, ma.
This Gen Z kids of nowadays is something else. Can you imagine? Unbelievable. My goodness.
Honey, we need to talk.
We need to talk?
Yes.
Okay. Talk about what exactly?
We need to talk about our sex life that doesn't even bother you.
What's wrong with our sex life? I mean, if you ask me, our sex life is perfect, except there's something you're not telling me.
Why are you so selfish and unreasonable?
I don't understand. Where is all this coming from? Are you being serious right now?
Of course I'm serious. Why would you even say that our sex life is perfect? Within you, you know that our sex life is nothing close to perfection. I've tried to talk to you several times, but you didn't give me listening ears. You don't satisfy me. You don't give me sexual satisfaction. You don't. It's not all about you. Once you just get to climax, and that is it. I think you need to see a doctor.
Excuse me. What do you mean by I need to see a doctor? Do I look sick to you?
You don't need to look sick before you see a doctor. I mean, these things are medically treated. It's not something anyone should live with.
Woman, don't patronize me with your uffish optimism. You just insulted me.
I did not insult you. We are a couple and we need to fix things. We need to fix our problem.
We need to fix our problem by blowing things out of proportion. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Huh? If there's anyone in this house who needs to see a doctor, it's you and not me.
At least I'm not a 1 minute man. Excuse me.
What did you just say to me? You know what, I will pretend like I didn't hear what you just said. I will pretend like that statement didn't just come out of your mouth. It's obvious you want to sleep alone this night.
Iko.
Ma? Madam, good morning.
Good morning. What about Izu? Did he step out?
No, I don't see Zoo. Now, I'll go and see where come out. Zoo will come out.
I have checked everywhere for him. I mean, everywhere in this house, but he's nowhere to be found.
Madam, is you feed their room, they sleep on this now. You know, that guy and Stamara. Those all those Stamara people, think they affect their brain, they get mental
Will you shut up?
Ma?
Did he create himself?
No, ma.
He's stammering. Is that a disease?
No, you know, say.
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Silly thing. Sense.
Zuna, still no problem.
Izuna, where have you been? What did I just see? Hey! Wonders shall never end in this house. Hey!
Which kind of problem be this now? Which kind nonsense be this now?
Yes, Mr. Vincent. I received the files you sent to my email. You know what? Let's just see at the office tomorrow and we'll just finalize this discussion, all right? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Anytime, 12. From 12. Yeah, it's okay. All right. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Izuna. Izuna. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? You don't look fine to me. You look uneasy. What's going on?
So, right, sir.
Oh, stop it. Obvious you're not fine. I mean, look at him. He looks red, right?
Yes. I think he's fine. Right?
Nothing. Let me get you water.
Something is definitely wrong with him. He's lying. Yeah, I've not seen him look like this before. I don't know. Something is off, you know?
Baby, he said he's okay. I'm not sure there's any problem. He's a grown man, not a child. You can force him to talk.
Yeah, I know he's a grown man, but as long as he lives in my house, I expect him to have a conducive and relatable expression. Izun, I'm going to ask you again, what is wrong with you? You can talk to me, you know that, right?
Nothing, sir.
Okay.
Honey, this food is really delicious.
Yeah, I trust Izun now.
He's good at what he does. Izuna, you are a great man.
Yes.
Really great.
Very great.
And you will be very useful to me, in fact, to us in this house.
He's useful already.
He will be more than useful.
Oh, come off it. Izuna, what's going on? I know something is wrong. The only way I can help you is you telling me what's up. Open up to me. What's happening with you?
Honey, I think he's okay. Right? You can go. Just go. It's okay. Just go.
Something is definitely wrong with him.
Baby, everything is fine.
I'm telling you, something is up. I know because I'm a man. Anyway.
Izu,
Madam.
I'm so sorry about this morning. I mean, I wasn't supposed to come into your room unannounced. I'm truly sorry. Honestly, I wanted to send you on an errand. And then again, I saw what I wasn't supposed to see, but I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I forgive you.
So why are you looking away? How am I sure you've forgiven me?
Madam, I don't forgive you.
So, why are you shy? Izu, I'm so sorry. It wasn't planned. But then I saw what I wasn't supposed to see. But honestly, you are massive down there. Yeah. I'm sorry. So sorry. Sorry about that. Massive chef. I mean, you're so big. I'm freezing. You're so big.
Water, bam, bam. Evening, ma.
I can actually help you.
Madam. Waiting the now. Madam, you well, so any problem?
Yes.
Ah,
I'm not okay at all.
be like say go hospital now.
Izuna,
Ma.
you have the solution to my problem.
Solution, ma. I no understand.
Izuna,
Madam. Ma. Ha.
I have loved you.
Ha.
Izu.
Madam.
I love what I saw. Izu. Izu, you're so sweet. I mean, the burning sensation is too much. Izu, calm down. Forget about that. I'm married, but I'm not happy. Izu, wait.
Madam,
Okay, just wait. I'm married, but I'm not happy.
Madam, I'm begging. Madam, I'm begging. Madam, stop this thing. I beg.
Look at not only you is carrying. How can you be carrying this kind of thing only you?
Madam, I beg. Madam, I beg.
I will pay.
No, Madam, no.
Okay, I will talk to you. Wait, let me explain something.
Madam, I beg.
Wait, let me explain.
Madam, I beg.
What is your problem, sir? Have you not done it before? Are you a virgin? What's all this one, sir? What are you feeling like? Are you a virgin? You've not done it before. Are you sure?
I
swear, I promise you will love it.
Madam,
Wait, let me just show you.
I no one deny my future wife right.
Which right? Wait, I want to tell you something.
Madam, no tell me.
Wait, I want to tell you
Madam,
something. I want to tell you something.
Madam, stop this plane now. Madam, I don't do it.
What kind of...
Hey. Which kind problem be this now? Huh? Which kind? Wow. How be this? Hey, Madam, I beg. Which guy you self cause for me? I beg you. Make I tell her husband. You no go bring me problem, oh. You no go bring me problem, oh. No go bring me problem, oh.
Ha.
God. What am I doing?
We need to fix our problem by blowing things out of proportion. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Huh? If there's anyone in this house who needs to see a doctor, it's you and not me.
Come in. I said come in. This is boy deaf.
Madam.
Come in. Oh.
Madam, I don't come.
Get that oil from that place.
Where?
Are you blind?
Madam, wetin I go use and cook?
Use it and fry egg.
Okay.
Will you come back? Come on.
Wetin?
Move closer.
Ma?
I said move closer. Come to the bed.
You said?
You heard me.
Madam, I did all right here.
I said come to the bed. In fact, climb the bed.
Madam.
See, if I stand up, I said climb the bed. Cross your legs.
What?
Not like that. Look at this village. Come on. Put one here and put one the other side. Be fast about it.
Put one.
Don't waste my time. Higher.
I should
Climb up. I don't want to repeat myself.
Okay. Madam.
It's not like that. Bend down. Squat. Don't have sense. Kneel down.
Ma?
You heard me. I said kneel down.
Madam, I go here. Here, well, here.
Be fast about it. Kneel down. I said kneel down. Come on.
Madam.
Okay, pull my clothes up.
Ma?
Higher you go. Up you go. Up you go. Pull this clothes up. Pull it up. Pull it up. I said pull it up. Up you go.
This one high enough, ma.
Up you go.
Up I go. Thank you, ma.
God, are you okay? I said up you go. Drag this. Move it up. Up you go. Up you go.
Okay, ma.
Come on. Come back here. Where do you think you're going to? Where are you going to?
Madam, something they rise. Yes, ma.
Where?
Madam, the department for my body they rise, ma. Yes, ma. Madam.
Wait. Let me see.
Madam.
Let me see.
Madam.
Let me.
Madam, I beg.
This boy is so useless. In this house, let's get you.
You. What's your problem now? Huh? I think say we get agreement. Eh? We get agreement. Say no matter what, we'll keep ourselves for our future wives. What is this now? Eh? Answer me, answer me because you don't have sense at all. Because I know I am well behaved. Why would you be standing? For what? No, for what now? You won't answer me now. You won't answer me, but when you see another person's wife, you will now stand up and say present. Who's this now? You don't want to answer me now. Let me tell you. See, I'm keeping myself for my future wife. Oh. You do hold yourself. You be standing for another person's wife. We have agreement to. I beg you. I have sense. I know you don't have. Don't say. Okay, calm down.
Honey,
Yeah, babe.
how long will the appointment last?
Someone missing me already?
Yes.
Oh well, I have a very, very busy schedule today, but I should be home by 11 p.m. thereabout, you know.
Maybe 11 p.m. is too far.
Oh. Baby. I know. I'm sorry. But it's necessary.
Okay. Just take care of yourself for me, okay? Have a good day.
Thank you so much, love. Alright, I have to go. Running late. Stop this. Would you?
Okay.
Oh, gotta go. Bye, love.
Hi, honey. Izuna! Are you done?
Yes, ma.
Drop that thing and then come back here.
You can sit.
You say?
I said you can sit. Sit down.
I'm fine. Fine like
Oh,
this.
okay. Just sit down so that we can celebrate together.
Celebrate.
Yes.
Waiting now.
Oh. Sit, please. It's my wedding anniversary.
Okay. You and your husband.
Yes.
God will bless two of you.
Amen.
God will give two of you more life.
Amen.
More money.
Amen.
Good things. And your marriage will be strong.
Amen.
And stronger. Amen.
Amen.
But I don't drink alcohol.
Are you serious?
I only take soft drink.
Soft drink?
Yes.
How can a grown man like you say you don't take alcohol?
My head no dey carry alcohol, ma.
Oh. Perfect.
You say?
Oh. I mean, this one is very light. It's medicinal and it's good for your body. It's going to detoxify all the nyama in your body. I'm serious.
So this thing now is not medicine now.
It's medicinal. Come on, you will like it. It's medicinal.
Madam.
Yes. Just drink a little. Yes, you will like it.
Madam, the thing is, I don't take alcohol. Hey! Madam, I beg now.
You have to drink it.
Madam,
just drink it.
Madam,
It's very light.
Please,
it's medicinal.
Madam, please, Madam.
It's medicinal.
I no qualify for this kind of thing now.
It's okay.
Madam, please.
Okay. You will like
Madam,
it.
please.
Trust
Madam.
me.
Madam.
Now, this is how a woman should feel after a man's touch. Such energy in one man. So much for a first-timer. But if he is this good in his first experience, I can imagine how overwhelming it will be when he gets more experience.
What is it I do here? Madam. Wait, apple.
Baby.
baby.
I know you're not used to such names. I mean, you're so sweet. You were something else. So hot. Everything about you. Gosh, I really had fun. You are strong.
Strong. Hey! 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 Madam, wait now. Madam, wait. Oh, God. Oh, no. Madam, wait now. Wait now. This is... Oh. Madam, this is for my future wife now. You don't... me now. You don't disrespect me now, madam.
Come on, don't be ridiculous. What's that?
Oh! Aye! Oh,
Stop
no.
this now.
Oh, madam, why now, madam?
Don't be ridiculous.
Madam.
Look at you. Look at you. You were just all over me. You were even the one riding me.
This is rape now. What is now? What is? This don't like alcohol and I'm going to. I don't know what to reserve myself for my future wife. Oh God! What is this for my future wife? This is fetching me. God, what is this now?
Madam.
Calm down.
Madam,
Calm down.
Avoid me.
Calm down.
Madam, stop. Madam, stop now.
I beg. Madam, make I concentrate now.
Calm down.
Madam, good. Tell Oga.
You want to tell my husband? Okay. You're free. Go ahead and tell him. Let's see if my husband will believe you afterwards. I mean, I'm offering you all of this. All of this. On a platter of gold. Do you think such opportunity comes all the time? Come on.
Madam, this opportunity, I don't want them. I don't even like this kind of law concept. Madam, I beg.
Okay, fine. Let's strike a deal. We'll have it just once. Just this once, and I promise I will not disturb you again. Okay?
You. One. Madam, you do like this thing.
How do you know?
I know now if I do.
Let's try it.
Madam, I beg now. Wait first. Madam, wait.
Madam. Do you want to lose your job? Oh yeah.
Madam.
Oh, nobody's around. Nobody's around.
Madam, one shot.
Oh yeah.
Madam, just.
Oh yeah. Open this thing.
Madam, wait first.
Open this thing.
Rush now.
Calm down.
Madam.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Isuna. Chineke me. Wait. Hi. Bila sa go tell Oga o. Ako. If I tell Oga now, I be make her way small. My own turn fit come. Hi. Make her way small.
Babe, what's going on? You look really excited today.
How do you mean?
I mean, look at you. You look really happy. This is different.
I'm with my husband now. Oh, you don't want me to be happy?
Of course I do. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that I've not seen you this excited in a very long time. I mean, you're just eating. Is there something different in that food? I don't know. Maybe your food is different from mine. You're extra happy.
Maybe I'm just happy now. I'm just happy. This is bitter leaf soup and it makes people happy.
Oh, really?
That's the name, bitter leaf soup.
So it's
this
the food?
one. Oh.
It's the food? That means I have to eat more of it so
Baby,
I can.
you need it.
I can. I don't think it's doing to me what it is doing to you.
Hey.
But anyways, I really like you this way. I need more of you like this.
It's nice.
It's really nice.
Delicious. Baby mo, baby.
Thank you. This is how I always want you to be.
Stop, please.
Baby.
Oh, babe, please just stop. I'm tired.
Baby, come on. Give me some, okay?
Please just stop. I'm tired. I'm not in the mood, please.
Baby, what's wrong? Why are you being so cold towards me? Huh?
I'm not being cold towards you. I'm just tired. Don't you get it?
I don't understand. I don't get it actually, because 3 days ago you said you were tired. Yesterday you said you were tired. And today you're still saying the same thing. What's going on?
Yeah, that's because I was tired. And I'm still tired now. So it's nothing, please.
Baby,
Don't worry.
baby, wait. 3 hours ago you were radiating with so much energy. What's going on now? Why are you all of a sudden tired?
Okay.
Baby, come on, please.
Okay.
Let's do
Honey,
something.
please. I promise you, please. Tomorrow we will have a good one. Please, okay? To sleep.
Baby.
Good night.
Honey.
Honey,
Hey, babe.
won't you be going to work?
Oh, I will. I just have some underlying files to take care of, and I'll leave afterwards.
Won't that be late? I mean, you need to go early to be able to catch up with other appointments and other things in the office.
You know, I thought you'd be happy having me around. What's going on?
Of course, I'm so happy. It's just that I don't want to compromise the value of our family business. There are a lot of competitors out there and I don't want any loopholes.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Come here. All right, I have to get back to work.
Okay.
The conqueror, the chairman, the chairman is here. Zobu Ezuruonye. Toya dike Zunna dike The chairman, the conqueror, everything is here.
Wetin happen now?
I dey praise you now.
Praise me unto wetin now?
Unto say na you be the boss. See, Izuna, I don't really understand say the stability is not inability.
Now you be disabled. Now you and this your head will be like parallelogram. Now I'm disabled. Wait be this now?
Calm down now.
You don't find my trouble this morning.
I know if you find your trouble. See, now you be the second boss.
Unto
say na you be the fire service master arranger.
Thunder go fire you. Thunder go. I don't tell you say your dress. That really must be prison. No how. You know go prison. I don't leave me. Leave me.
I beg you, go give me food my chop. This way they sleep now.
Food. No. Run to kitchen.
Sir?
Idiot.
Babosa. Moga we sabi. Moga see your designers, eh? Moga we just got. Moga make a fine wife. I hear you, sir.
Iko, you know, sometimes I can't interpret the meaning of your appraisals. But nevertheless, thank you.
Moga, thank you.
Please, I am heading out. Open the gates for me, okay?
Oga, this your designers, eh? Oga, as the commander is supposed to give you one as a day.
Iko, thank you. I have to go.
Look how good the gates.
Oga, we lose guard. Lose guard. Your juice, man.
Come back here. This is not the juice that I asked you to bring.
This one is the only one in the house, man.
The juice I actually asked you to bring is the juice that comes from inside of you.
Madam, there is no juice here. It's only piss, urine. That's all.
I want fresh juice, Izuna. Do you get it? I need fresh juice. The kind of juice that I'm talking about is the one that your heart will beat so fast while you pump it out. And that is the juice.
Madam, there's no juice for you here now. Madam, stop this thing now. You said it's only once now. You promise now. Which one is this one again now?
I promise, yes, I did. But then again,
wait.
You are so sweet. You're so sweet in the middle.
Madam,
Izu, can you see what you're carrying?
Madam,
this thing you're even carrying is bigger than you. How come?
Madam, leave my middle. Leave my load for me. Madam, which one is this now? Madam, stop this. See, no. Chef, I can't do. I don't call chef myself for your house. Which one be this now? You don't. Tell me, I shall no be like say you they pay me extra money for the ashawo.
Okay, fine. Name your price.
No be ashawo. I no be ashawo.
But you just said I'm not paying you.
No want now. Madam, leave me, I beg. What's the problem, sir? Madam, leave me. Ma.
I'm sorry, I can't leave you.
Ma, I'm sorry, sir. I can't do anything for you too.
It's not my fault that you're sweet. It's not my fault that you give me satisfaction, Izu.
Madam,
Izu, please now, stop doing this to me.
Madam, you said please now, stop doing this to me too. What's the problem, sir? Catering school. Where I go, no be a shower cooking. They teach me for there. Wait, this. Wait be this, madam.
You've seen it now. What else? What else do you want to see again? This is you riding me with this horse. This is you. Or would you want your boss to see this? No, tell me, would you want your boss to see this?
Madam.
Look at you. You were enjoying it.
I'm beg now.
Me, my husband will forgive me. But what about you? You will lose your job.
Madam, I beg now.
I should delete it.
Yes,
I should delete it.
Sir. Yes, but delete this thing now, madam. Madam, I beg.
Let's go to the room. I don't want to wait for you. Stand up, Oga. Stand up, you're wasting my time.
I beg now, madam, I beg now.
Oh yeah, straight. Come and wash my plate.
Thank you, ma. I'll go and wash plate.
Yes! Come back here, go and wash plate. Come and wash plate upstairs in the room. Go and wash my plate.
Madam.
Wetin happen? I don't go kitchen, go check your nose, see. So what is not here, they think? Wetin happen? You don't want to talk to me? Izu, wait to. Madam don't serve you breakfast. I know. It's written all over. I'm seeing it. I can detect it. Yes.
Wait, that one mean now.
I know what it is. What it be say you are nothing but international cultivator, clearing without forwarding. You see this one? You must forward them. You soon now this one you don't forward and finish. I know you. I know you, but this one, you must forward them. I'm seeing it. We must forward them. Izu, you must forward them. Bet me. One bet me. This one, forward them. International cultivator.
Yeah, baby. I know you like this, huh? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Baby, you are just so.
Please just stop it.
Baby, stop now.
Sharp, you're done. What kind of a man are you?
Baby, it's not my fault.
Just 1 minute.
You are too sweet.
Beg.
Baby, you are too sweet now. It's not my fault.
Please leave me alone, I beg. What's this one? You're satisfied. Am I satisfied?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
You know what? Tomorrow we'll go again.
Please leave me again. You are who we go again. Don't, if you touch me, I'm going to... Respect yourself, oh honey. Respect yourself.
Baby, you are too sweet. That's the problem. Yeah? You are delicious. Yeah? It's not my fault.
Oh, baby, that was awesome. I don't know about you, but I am perfect.
You know what, darling? Tomorrow we'll go again, okay? Oh, sure. Tomorrow, same time, same place. I'll give it another shot, huh?
Who is that?
Madam, anything?
Yes, Izu.
Let's go and cook it.
Cook, wait. Come here.
Madam,
Come.
Madam, what's bad? It's around now.
Small.
It's around now.
He will not hear you. Don't make noise about it.
What? He forgot. Enter here now.
Don't enter. Just keep quiet. He will not enter. Please, come and give me quickie.
Which one is quickie again now?
Quickie is to do it fast, like sharp. Eh?
Madam, what you you like it slow now?
This time around, okay, you know what, just forget about it. Let's do dog game.
Madam, I the fear dog.
You no go fear this side. Come, make we just do this thing sharp. You go like this one. Oh yeah. Come now, make I just bend down, do this thing sharp. Come now.
Madam.
Come. Yeah, sharp. Come do this thing.
Madam.
It's hot.
na drink. Na person wife now. Suppose they feel like this now. We don't suppose they feel like this now. It's that person wife, oh. That person wife, oh. That person wife, oh. Ha. That person wife. Hey. We don't suppose they feel like how word. That person wife. Go fall in love with person wife. How I go fall in love with person wife? How you go fall in love with person wife?
I didn't send for you.
I sent myself.
You have no right to invite yourself to my room.
Things are happening to me. Serious things. So.
What do you mean?
You're always in my head. I cannot stop thinking about you. Every time I just want to be close to you, and I even want us to be doing it every day.
Are you falling in love with me? Answer me. Izu, if you are falling in love with me, I hope you know what that means.
Who's there? Who is that?
Oh, Ghana me, oh.
Izuna.
Sir.
Now is not a good time. Go. Later, eh?
Sir, it's a good time, oh.
Izuna, I said now is not a good time. My wife and I are trying to sleep, okay?
Sir, it's a very important time now because I just have to solve something.
What's wrong with this guy?
I don't know. Let me check.
No. Don't worry, I'll go. Just stay here. Izuna, I am coming. Young man, what is your problem?
Son, there's a problem.
What is it?
No, all the spice has finished. No seasoning, red oil, and vegetable oil. Everything finished. Just one small crave.
Izuna. So you're talking about spice? Ingredients for kitchen?
Yes, sir.
That's why you're knocking on my door this night.
Sir, I have to knock because
Did you check the time? Do you know what time it is right now?
I know the time. You know, I like to prep for the next morning so that we won't be hungry.
Izuna, leave this thing tomorrow.
Sir, I need to see Madam. You know, since she's the one in charge of food, me and you eat in this house.
My friend, I said leave this thing. I'll settle you tomorrow. Leave it tomorrow.
Sir, it's Madam now said to me she's in charge of.
Are you deaf? Leave this place. What's your problem? Go! I said tomorrow I will answer you. What's wrong with you?
Oh, guys, you go hungry, oh.
It's like you want to lose your job. Can you imagine this guy? What's wrong with this guy? It's like this is stammering is beginning to affect his brain. Huh?
Forget about him. Let's just.
No, I'm not bothered about him. I'm just worried about my baby.
Have a good day.
Have a good day too, and I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Morgan, a perfect driver. Madam, my big madam.
What is it?
Madam.
I hope you're fine.
Madam, I did fine. I just want to make you bless me as you bless our chief chef, Izuna. Izu.
What do you mean?
Madam, I mean rice and beans with plenty hold up. And semo with the assorted. Those are sort of where they do.
Iko.
Ma.
Iko, you're very funny.
Really? But yes. I just hear him to do. Jesus.
Well, I'm sure he gives you good food.
Who?
He's your friend.
Izuna. That's stammerer. That's changes Tamara. Izu no fit try am. Izu
That's okay. You can actually say what you have to say. Don't insult him. Excuse me.
Oh. No. How can Miss Tamara Izuna they enter madam like this? No now. This is no be ordinary. This is na juju. Huh? When me I no fit, no na juju. Juju or nothing. Activated.
What's going on?
What's going on? I don't like him. I don't like him at all.
What is it?
What is not it now? The way that man, that your husband is just touching you and how now? I don't like it.
What did you just call him? My husband. Do you expect him not to touch me?
Huh? Yes, man. Because the man was not doing his job now. You now call me strong virgin. Now you're telling. See, let me tell you something. I did my own since. How many years I did whole my virginity, and then next thing you come this virgin me now you now go one muscle man they do you gum body every time. I don't like him. I don't like him.
Izuna, you have to understand your place in this house. You are a chef, an employee.
I be chef. I be an employee. No problem. From today, it's only food where I cook, serving you with hand. You go chop. You know chop food of my body again. Yes. I'm getting me. See me and I don't like the way that your mom's husband just they do anyhow for this house. You know go do wrestling. You know do boxing. They slam this thing. I don't like him. I don't like him.
Izu, I understand the fact that you want to be with me. I also want to be with you. But I'm still married to my husband. Even though the marriage is complicated. You know you've never been married before, so you don't even know what I'm going through.
Yourself, no, what I've been going through as virgin. Before you disvirgin me, so therefore, anything we see, we continue on this journey because I know if you stop this thing again.
Okay, it's fine.
It's fine. You just won't go like that.
What else do you want?
So now you want pretend say you don't know what I want now.
I don't know.
As we what I like is kiss now. It's me we're going to teach you this thing again. I beg you.
Are you sure you're really a virgin? Huh.
I'm waiting, Nico.
Oh. Kitchen at their meeting point. That means something is going on there. Izuna.
Did you hear anything? Huh?
No. I heard something, but nobody.
Okay.
Just
let me go out and check.
And check. Go. You self, calm down. Calm down, danger day. Calm down, okay.
Iko.
Madam. Hey, I know this. I don't know say I sleep they sleep on duty. That as my body they do me. I no verse. As I just sit down here, I still sleep carry me.
So for how long have you been sleeping?
Hey, madam, I beg no verse now. That time when I come out, as I just sit down and I sleep off. I never that time I begin sleep.
For how long?
Madam, true to God, that time when I come out, now I begin sleep.
Are you sure?
Madam, I don't see. True to God, I don't feel like. Madam, I don't feel like it.
Okay then.
Madam, what's happen? Anything happen? Like person enter.
No, I should be asking you, did anything happen?
Hi. I don't even lock the gate. Jesus. Hi. We are going to equal 5 and 6. Izuna. Yes, Zumuti.
My God. No. Something is wrong. Lord of Jesus, what is this? No, something has to be wrong. Something is wrong, I don't understand. Something is definitely wrong. Izuna definitely did something different. What spice did he add to our food?
I don't know, but I doubt this is coming from home. Because I actually ate the same thing, but I'm fine.
No. I mean, the only thing I ate at the office was chicken and chips during our lunch break. That can be the reason for my running stomach. I mean,
you can never tell. That might be from the chicken and chips.
Hey, my God. Hey, my God. God, why you? Why me? Why me? Why me? What's going on?
Honey, how do you feel?
I don't know.
Sorry. The door is locked. Sorry. Sorry.
It just feels like I am purging out my intestines. I can't feel myself anymore. I feel like fainting.
No, don't faint.
I feel like
Sorry.
fainting.
Very good. You never see something. Yes. Your belly, you go do brrr, brrr. In fact, your belly, they yarn brrr. Make I see where you go touch my woman again. Yes, now see. Running stomach, it could be steady palliative for your body. Yes, I could do them steady. You okay? You don't go heal for this running stomach. Oh, lie. As far as you they pay me salary for a year, running stomach is your portion. Hey man. Yes.
My husband couldn't sleep last night. He was purging all through.
Huh? What happened?
That's what I'm about to find out. Did you put anything in his food?
Madam, for what now? All of us, we ate from the same pot now.
That's true.
Did he eat outside?
Yes, he said so. He said he ate chicken and chips.
No, it's from there, no, not here
No,
now.
because we ate the same food. It's okay. Just go back to your stuff.
Sorry, sorry, my madam. Sorry to Oga. Oga! Sorry!
Baby, how long are you going to stay?
About 3 weeks. I thought we've had this discussion before.
Yes, we did. Baby, we've never stayed apart from each other. I mean, 3 weeks. It's not 3 days. It's not 3 hours.
I know. Hey, relax, okay? I understand what you're saying, but you see, I can't afford to step down now or forfeit the conference. You know, this is good for our company and...
It's okay. I understand perfectly. I'm not trying to stop you either. It's for our own good. It's just that I'll miss you. And I'm so happy our company is evolving. I miss you, baby.
No, sweetie. I miss you too. I'll miss you more, actually. Don't miss me too much, okay?
I'll miss you.
I'll be back soon. And we'll be together.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
All right. Come here. I have to go.
I have to go. You have to
stay this way. Right.
Baby, what will I help you to do?
I'm done packing.
Okay.
Let's just... you can just hold this for me.
Okay.
That's it. No.
Sir.
Make sure every meal is right on schedule. I don't want my wife complaining of anything. Okay?
No.
Sir, why this no, sir?
No problem, sir.
Okay. Iko,
Sir?
you're in charge of security.
Yes, sir.
I don't need to remind you, make sure my gate stays closed at odd hours. All right? My compound has to stay clean. I'm not expecting any guests or visitors, so no random person can just come in here and tell you they want to see Oga and you open my gate. All right?
Okay, sir.
Baby.
Yes, love.
Come here. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Wish your guys safe journey.
Iko,
Sir?
open the gates for me.
Yeah, just keep it back there. Maybe come and give me a kiss now. Come on. Alright, love, take care of yourself, okay? All right.
See, you go take your time. I don't know. Why you for this so far? Take your time. I go to.
Wow. Huh? Wetin dey pay me pass be say this guy na stammerer. Huh? How you come dey get level pass me for this house? I know see if I enter there now, I go catch them. But if I catch them, wetin I go do? I no be husband now. Huh? Madam say if he even pursue me say before Oga go come back. This thing we using at the top. This thing we using at the top. I'm not top, man. No waiting cause. Okay.
I forgot a very important file.
This file, you see, there is too important too. Hi. Hi. Oh man. Izunna. Amala prali igwe. Izunna. Amala prali igwe.
Babe, you wouldn't believe that. Izuna! Come back here! Come back here! Izuna! Come back here! Your father! You just come back here! Come back here!
Atoka.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, what happened?
It's fine.
Izunna, what?
I employed you to cook for me! You end up cooking my wife, right? Leave Lagos.
Jesus.
Make sure you leave Lagos. But I will find you. I'll find you.
Jesus. Employ cook rice. Hey, Oga, sorry, oh. Oga, sorry, Oga. Hey! Izunna, if I see you anywhere around this compound, Chineke can walk on. Hey!
How long has this been going on? Answer me!
4 months.
Four months. 4 months. You've been cheating on me with the chef for 4 months. Under my roof. On our matrimonial bed. And I had no clue about this. For 4 months, Benita. Jesus, you both played me for a fool. You know, it all makes sense now. It makes sense now. No wonder. The questionable moments, the moments of uncertainty, this explains it all.
Sorry about that.
Shut your mouth. Shut your lying mouth. You're not sorry, so don't try to apologize to me. You're only saying you're sorry right now because I caught you in this act. Your illicit affair would have still continued if I didn't walk through that door and saw you. So don't even try to apologize. Benita, pack your things. Get out of my house. This marriage is over. And while you're gone, expect a divorce paper from me. I want nothing to do with you. A liar and a cheat.
You caused it. Yes, you caused everything.
Oh, I caused it now.
Yes! If only you agreed to see the doctor with me when I begged you to. All this wouldn't have been happening. Our sex life was nothing to write home about.
Sex? So this whole thing is about sex? Benita, does your life revolve around sex?
My life does not revolve around sex. Yet, getting to climax was a major priority to you.
Get the hell out of my house, woman. Pack your things and get out of my house. You can go and be with that pathetic, stammering, useless lowlife you chose to break our vows with. Get out, now.
That useless stammerer understands what intimacy is all about. And guess what? He does it way better than you do.
What the hell did you just say to
Oh,
me?
yes, you heard me. Well, you think I don't know about all your cheating escapade? I know about Sandra. I know about Vivian. Or you think I don't know? I know about everything you've been doing. You cheated on me countless times. You even gave me STD because I never told you about it. Look at you. Let me even shock you. I know about your son, Collins. 2 years old.
You cheated on me in this marriage and you had a son. Oh yes. So you know what? You ruined this marriage yourself. You said you're done. I'm also done. Oh please, excuse me.
Every day is for the thief and one day is for the owner. Finally, don't cast. Don't. If you want to marry a wife, make you no marry a waka about. If you want to marry a wife, make you no marry a waka about. My brother, make you no marry a waka about.
Iko, come and carry this bag. Are you mad? I said come and carry this bag. Very stupid boy. Useless. Goat, come and lock this gate.
I took and say every day now for the thief and one day now for the owner of the house. The rat. Finally, we don't go. Only you could enter the house. So that means I'm gonna go inside kitchen, cook food, serve myself, and myself go chop, can't go toilet. Thank God, sef, my guy said, "We cook my like food." Hi.
This is not the plan you gave me now. What is this? Wait, so because I left everything and I traveled out, so this is what you just decided to do? See, you are coming to see me immediately. No. This is not what you showed me now. Do you know how much I sent to you? Eh?
Sir.
Let me call you back.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Izuna, and I am a...
Please, can you, like, I'm in a hurry.
Sorry, sir. Professional chef, sir. So the thing is, I'm looking for work in this area, sir. So as I saw you, I just want to ask if there is any job for me here, sir.
Okay, wait, let me understand what you're saying.
Yes, sir.
You're saying that you're a professional chef.
Yes, sir.
And you're looking for a job.
Yes, sir.
Let me even understand. If you're a chef, how do you communicate with your client like this? How do you cope?
By God's grace, sir.
Well, I'm very sorry, I can't help you. See, I don't really stay around here. I'm sorry.
Sir.
I'm in a hurry.
Sir, can't you help?
What kind of people is this? You leave job for them and they mess things up for you.
No, first, I be done they find you for that. I be done they wait make you calm down. But since that yesterday, I never see you calm down. I say make I find you come inside. I know see you the verse as a man is supposed verse. I know say waiting Madam didn't do no good. But no be waiting you go think come use your hand, come kill yourself. You know say you get plenty properties. If you die and another person go inherit, it no go good. And me, I go lose my own job too. I don't know say this thing go reach. I don't tell you, I don't know say this thing go reach like this, Oga. I don't tell you. I don't know that this thing maybe now small something they go do, they will stop him. I don't know say it go reach like this. Okay, no verse. No verse. Sir, like you know see the share department for
Eko,
sir.
you knew about this all this while and you said nothing to me.
No, sir, I no fit just come. I think say maybe
Jesus! This all this while you said you never said a word to me?
sir.
Huh? Sir! You're fired! You're fired! Idiot! Jesus! If I ever see you anywhere close to my compound, I will have you arrested. As a matter of fact, you're leaving my house this minute.
Wetin carry me go talk? Wetin carry me go talk? At least I dey help Oga. Now I don't lose my job. If I see anybody on top of any Oga wife, if I finally get job, I go mind my business. I no go talk. This one don't teach me lesson.
Sir, there's definitely more to this that you're not telling me. Eh? Under normal circumstances, you should be begging your husband for reconciliation. Instead, you are looking for your chef, ordinary chef, the same guy you cheated on your husband with. Why?
Lola, you will not understand.
So, make me understand.
I cannot stop looking for Izu. Izu means everything to me. That guy is just like a god. I mean, he has given me what my husband couldn't give me.
Okay, so what could that be? What is Izuna giving to you that your husband can't give you?
Well, I know this might sound ridiculous, but trust me, girl, this is the truth. I mean, he gives me sexual satisfaction.
Ooh.
Izu is good. He's so perfect. He's so excellent. And he knows how to do it very well. I mean, this guy has AK-47. And trust me, he knows how to use it very well.
Oh my God, this my friend will not change. You will not, you too like man, Benita. You too, why? So this is enough reason to compromise your marriage. Eh?
Show me a happy married woman. And I will prove to you that that woman gets to climax.
You're not far from the truth though, but...
But what? But what? I will not stop looking for Izu. I will search for him everywhere. Even if it warrants me going to pay people just to look for him, I will get him. I will keep on looking for him because I need him in my life.
Benita, change. Change.
How?
You too like man, change.
How? How?
Better go back to your husband and go and beg him. Oh.
God forbid.
my sister.
Yes.
Sorry, good day.
Good day.
Please, my name now is Zuna, and I be professional chef.
Okay.
The fine work as chef.
So I don't know if I would like need my services.
I don't know. Let me go and ask the owner of the house. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm coming.
God bless you.
No problem. I'm coming. Just be there. I'm coming.
God did all those things.
Yes.
I shock you. I am also surprised that you looked for me, you know. I thought since you have lost your marriage, and me too, lost my job, that everything is over now.
Yes. Everything is over. Izu, tell me the truth. Don't you miss me?
I won't lie. I miss you too much. You're always in my head.
Good. In that case, this will be the beginning of a new chapter for us. What do you think?
Madam, I don't understand.
Stop. My name is not Madam. My name is Benita. Okay?
Benita.
Yes, Benita.
Okay.
So, I want us to start a proper relationship and see where this will lead us to. What do you have to say?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
If you agree, me too. I agree.
I agree. I agree. I've missed you.
We too. Wait.
What?
Wait, I beg. I like my things to be straightforward. And let me say my mind out, because I don't want to tomorrow now something else will happen.
What is it?
If we start this relationship, and it ends up in marriage, we will not have some kind of people who will work for us. So meaning it's only women that will be working for us. Only woman, oh. No, man. I'm serious. You are smiling and laughing. No man, meaning no man gets man. No man washerman. No man chef.
Okay.
No man chef.
Yes.
No man chef. Oh.
I've heard you.
Yes. Even man dog, I don't want.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Yes.